Hi and welcome to today's video. Today I'm going to be showing you acrylic blending of two colors, which is the light green and the white. So I've got these two colors from the same brand, which is from Vincent and Newton, and this is, I think, the student version of the same color. So I'm using some acrylic sheet over here, which is about 400 GSM. When I say acrylic sheet, it does not mean like the non-bendable one. This is paper, which is pretty thick in the GSM, which is why it is perfect for your acrylic printing. So I'm using two blobs of green, one on the top and one at the bottom, and I'm going to be adding some white in the middle. So the white of this brand is pretty thick, so that's why this much of white is going to suffice for the entire thing. So just make sure that your brush is completely clean. It does not have any other color. We don't want a very wet brush. We just want it to be wet enough so that it can take the color and it can just smoothly blend it from left to right. So I'm using this direction today. You can use any other direction in your color if you want. That is, you just need to move your brush in that way. So I've added a little bit of white and I'm blending it with the green. So I'm going from top to bottom and then bottom to top. So making sure that the green is not too light. And sometimes what happens with this particular set I've noticed is it starts showing the paper through. So now I've taken the white, I'm just going from top to bottom, and when I reach the bottom green, you can see that it's pretty dark over there. So since we already do have a little bit of white in our brush, I'm able to blend it and make that pretty smooth. Now when you're going back to the top, make sure that you don't put a lot of pressure, otherwise the entire light green which is at the bottom, it'll become more lighter. So we don't want it like that. We want a nice smooth ombre blend from green to whitish to again green. So this is how it has come out once it's dry. And I really like experimenting and playing around with different kinds of blends this way. I hope today's video was useful for you to understand how to blend a single color to create like a beautiful ombre effect along with white like this. See you soon for the next video. Bye bye.